Children, 6th class formative assessment test 2 2021 and 22 mathematics paper. Now once check the paper, this is the key for the 6th class mathematics. Okay children, first head choose the correct answer. Okay, this one gives a 5 into 1 5 marks. Okay, each question carries 1 marks. Total 5 questions are multiple choice are there, 5 marks. 5 into 1 5 marks. Okay, first one, the set of whole numbers is denoted by. What is the set of whole numbers denoted by? Whole number, first number W, that is W. Option B. Don't write the W, you can write the only options. Option B. Okay. Additive identity in a whole number is. Additive identity means you can add any number, the answer is the same number. That's why 0 is the additive identity. Then option is A. Now see the third one. 24 is divisible by. 24 is not divisible by 9 and 7 and last digit is 4. It is not divisible by 5 and sum of the digits 2 plus 4 6. Only it is divisible by 3. Option D is the correct. Okay, now see the fourth one. There are dash number of frames between 1 and 100. There are dash prime numbers between 1 and 100. 1 to 100 below 25 prime numbers are there. That is option A. Okay. Next one. Every negative integer is always dash than 0. Negative numbers, you know the number line? Okay. This one number line 0, 1, 2, 3. This one positive numbers. This one negative numbers -2, -3 like this. Okay, all negative numbers, positive numbers greater than 0, then negative numbers less than 0. Very good. Option C. Okay, this is the options. Now see the second head. Fill in the blanks. Okay, fill in the blanks. This one also 5 into 1 mark, 5 marks. Each blank carry 1 mark. 5 blanks are given. 5 blanks, 5 into 1, 5 marks. Okay. The smallest whole number. Whole numbers you can start it by 0. What is the smallest number? 0 is the smallest whole number. Okay. The multiplication identity in a whole numbers. ఏ నెంబర్తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే సేమ్ నెంబర్ రావాలి, దెన్ దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ మల్టిప్లికేటివ్ ఐడెంటిటీ. 4 into 1 4 అంటే హియర్ 1 ఈజ్ ద మల్టిప్లికేటివ్ ఐడెంటిటీ. 1 ఈజ్ ద మల్టిప్లికేటివ్ ఐడెంటిటీ. ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ 3 and 5 are dash prime numbers. 3 and 5 are twin prime numbers. Twin. Difference between the primes are 2 is called twin prime numbers. Then LCM of 3 and 4. You can do the LCM of 3 and 4. Then first divided by 2 tabled 3 and 2. Again divisible by 2 table 3 2. After that 3 table 1 3 1 1. Multiply 2 into 2 into 3. 4 2s are 12. Side by side numbers, LCM is always their product, that is 12. These two are called co-primes. Pakka pakkani ఏ numbers తీసుకున్నా that is called co-primes. Their LCM is their product, no common factors. 10th one, the number which is neither positive nor negative. Here side, this one positive numbers, this one negative numbers. Which one is the neither positive nor negative? 0 only, neither positive nor negative, right? 0. Okay children. Now see the children. Third head, solve the problems. Here 3 sums are given. 3 into 2 6. 3 sums are, each sum carries 2 marks. Okay, total third head 6 marks. 11th sum, find 6 plus 7 plus 7 using number line. Number line draw chesi mana add cheyalama. Once see the children. Here you can draw the number line 6 plus 7 plus 7 using number line. Solution 6 plus 7 plus 7. Okay, we can start by 6. First number is 6. You can start by 6. You can add 7 steps to move right side. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 13. Okay. After that, again 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Answer is 20. మనకి డిఫరెన్స్ తెలియడానికి you can kept down outwards. Okay. This is the answer. This one also move forward side. Okay. Write the answer. Therefore, 6 plus 7 plus 7 is equal to 20. If you add if you add a whole number to move right hand side. If we add a whole number to move right hand side on number line Okay, this is the answer. Then 12th sum, find the smallest number that should be added to 128 so that it is exactly divisible by 5. Given number is 128, it is divisible by 5. What number should be added? Okay. Now solution. Given number is 128. If it is divisible by 5, last is it is 0 or 5. Which number you should add? It become a 0. 128 plus 2 is equal to 130. Here last digit is 0. It is divisible by 5. Okay. Is divisible by 5. Now which number you should add? 2. Therefore, 2 should be added to 128 is divisible by 5. Is divisible by 5. Okay, 2 should be added to 128 is divisible by 5. That's all. In the sum, arranging in ascending order of minus 10, minus 1, 10, 0 and 5. Ascending order is, right, then here negative numbers are there. In negative numbers, minus 10 is the smallest number. Minus 10, after that minus 1, 0 and 5 after 10. Okay. Head, solve the problem. This one only 4 marks. Each question carries 4 marks. 14th one, this one. Vani and Venu purchased 12 notebooks and 5 notebooks respectively. Vani, Venu, okala 12, okala 5 respectively means Vani, first one 12 notebooks. First answer, second one second. Okay, the cost of each notebook is 15 rupees. How much money they have to pay totally to the shopkeeper? ఒక్కొక్క బుక్ 15 రూపీస్ కాస్ట్ అమ్మ, మొత్తం ఎంత పే చేశారు అడుగుతున్నారు. ఓకే, రైట్ ద సెంటెన్సెస్. నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ బుక్స్ పర్చేజ్డ్ by Vani. How many books? 12 books. 12 books. Okay. Number of books purchased by Venu. How many books? 5 notebooks. 5 books. Okay, Nana? Now, total books. We can add these two. 17 books. Cost of each book. Cost of one, each means one book, is equal to 15 rupees. Then cost of 17 books. 17 into 15 rupees. Multiply here. 17 into 15. 5 7 ja 35, 3 5 1 ja 5 plus 3 8 and 7 1 into 1 1 5 7 plus 5 15 255 255 rupees. Cost of 17 books is 255 rupees. Okay, this is the key for 6th class maths paper FA2 Nanna. Okay.